and I just got this from the mail. It is almost Friday, the day before it, so I have this right here. I'm going to show you the back. So this is the dark side, right here, and this is the light side. So now I'm going to show you here. It says right there. You can see Obi-Wan on this side. You see Anakin on this side. So now I'm going to show you here. It says, if you can see, it says Star Wars. It's like written right there. So let's try to open it, and it says, I don't know what it says right here.
Galactic Heroes.
Oh, it's Galactic Heroes.
And this was available only at Target when they released it.
Target.
Target
yes.
only.
And I will open that.
I will handle the scissors, my friend. Thank you for asking, though.
Yes. But I don't know why they was having me so long. God, everyone, I'm sorry.
Oh, show everybody the bottom. Good idea.
Okay.
It has the original price on it, too.
If you can see, here's this side, and here's the other side.
It has the
Here's
original
both
price.
sides. And I'm going to see for myself now.
How much was it originally? Let's see.
Okay.
It was originally,
Looking at that.
what's that say? I think it says $69. $69.99. Wow, $69.99.
Look, everything is wrong. Okay, everyone, here is this. It's the set, so I'm going to show you being it. Okay, this is where Obi-Wan tries to make Anakin turn to the light side again, but this is Anakin fighting Obi-Wan on the lava. So this is Anakin, this is Obi-Wan, this is C-3PO, this is Academy, and this is Clone Trooper, Clone Trooper, Clone Trooper, Clone Trooper, Clone Trooper, and Emperor Palpatine. Okay? So now just grab this and open it up. Oh, if you can see, you can like see if here's the lava and like where the clone troopers are and Emperor Palpatine is. That's the sand where Anakin lands. And so now, and this part is where they start off. Like right here, they start off right here. And then it goes to, they have to go up. Then they jump on the lava sinks. Then they fight for a little bit. Then they land.
Nice. You want to open them up?
Yes, open it up.
Which one?
Here is Anakin Skywalker. Good detail in him. He's like very personal. Here he is. Here's his lightsaber. Okay. Now I'll show you Obi-Wan Kenobi. He is like, he's taller than Anakin Skywalker. Focus. This is so, I'm just going to show you them. Yep, there they are.
They in focus? Is that in focus? When
Yes.
you're showing them?
Yes, okay. And this is Emperor Palpatine right here. This is, he's littler than I thought he would be. This is C-3PO.
That's right. C-3PO. Good job.
She is smaller than I hope she will be. Okay.
Can you take a pause real quick?
Oh,
Hold on.
you gotta blow you. Okay, this is Palmy again. And all that's left is the droids. Droid. Here are my toys, all there. Now, just one more set. And this guy doesn't really stand up, so I'm gonna pretend him like doing like that. He's dead.
That's good. That's a good setup.
Right there. I hope you like this video and goodbye.
Goodbye.